XAU-USD, gold versus US dollar. Date analyzed, May 13th, 2025. Time frame, 1 hour H1. Current price, 3,229.82 USD, as shown at the top of the chart. Technical indicators used. Moving average adaptive, MAA. MA, 20, 3239.40, short-term trend. MIA, 50, 3,328.16, medium-term trend. MAA, 200, 3,274.68, long-term trend. RSI, Relative Strength Index 14, current value 40.13. RSI, 20, bearish to neutral. Price action analysis. Recent trend past few days. Gold recently broke below the short-term 20 EMA and long-term 200 EMA moving averages. Price has pulled back from a recent high near 3,370 and is currently consolidating in the 3,220-3,230 range. Today's market, May 13, price made a lower high and continued to decline below key EMAs. Currently hovering below all major moving averages, indicating short-term bearish pressure. RSI analysis. RSI is near 40, trending down but not yet oversold. This suggests a bearish momentum but not extreme selling. Potential room to fall or bounce. Key levels to watch. Type price USD notes. Support 3,220, 3,000. Short-term support zone. Major support 320. Strong psychological level. Resistance 3,225. 200 EMA plus recent high area. Major resistance 330, 340. Previous top plus 50 EMA zone. Summary. Trend bias, bearish, short-term. Momentum, weak to moderate downside. Market sentiment risk-off, price unable to reclaim moving averages. Strategy, bears. Look for short entries near 3,263,075 resistance. Bulls, wait for confirmation above 3,075 or potential bounce from 3,210 support.